the Great Wall of China, a marvel of ancient engineering and a symbol of the nation's enduring strength. Stretching over 13,000 miles, it is one of the most iconic structures in the world, a name that echoes through history, conjuring images of ancient battles, majestic landscapes, and the relentless spirit of a people determined to protect their homeland. Synonymous with human endeavor and architectural grandeur, the Great Wall stands as a testament to the ingenuity and perseverance of the Chinese civilization. Snaking across thousands of miles, this stone serpent is not just a wall, but a testament to a civilization's ambition and resilience. It weaves through deserts, mountains, and plains, adapting to the diverse landscapes it encounters. Visible even from space, it stands as a monument to human ingenuity, a symbol of China's enduring spirit. The wall's sheer scale and the effort required to build it are awe-inspiring, reflecting the collective will of an entire nation. For centuries, it has captivated travelers, scholars, and dreamers, whispering tales of emperors and empires. Each stone and brick tells a story of the past, of the dynasties that rose and fell, and the countless lives intertwined with its history. The Great Wall is more than just a physical structure. It's a tapestry woven from history, culture, and national identity. It has witnessed the ebb and flow of Chinese civilization, serving as a backdrop to the nation's rich cultural heritage. Its story is a complex saga of conflict, unification, and cultural exchange, forever etched into the landscape of China. From the fierce battles fought to defend it, to the bustling trade routes that once ran alongside it, the wall has been a silent witness to history. Join us now as we delve into the past, exploring the origins, construction, and enduring legacy of this awe-inspiring monument. Discover the stories of the people who built it, the emperors who commanded it, and the travelers who have been inspired by it for generations. Our journey begins in the 3rd century BC during the reign of Qin Shi Huang, the first emperor of a unified China. This period marked a significant turning point in Chinese history as Qin Shi Huang's vision and determination laid the foundation for a centralized state. His reign was characterized by sweeping reforms and ambitious projects that would leave an indelible mark on the nation. Ambitious and ruthless, Qin Shi Huang sought to consolidate his newly established empire and secure its borders from nomadic invaders. His strategies were multifaceted, involving both military might and infrastructural innovation. He understood that to maintain control over such a vast territory, he needed to protect it from external threats and internal dissent. The answer, he believed, lay in a monumental undertaking, the construction of a fortified wall of unprecedented scale. This wall would not only serve as a physical barrier, but also as a psychological deterrent to potential invaders. The sheer scale of the project was a testament to his far-reaching vision and the resources at his disposal. Prior to Qin Shi Huang's reign, various states had erected smaller walls for defense. These walls were often fragmented and served the interests of individual states rather than the collective security of the empire. Qin Shi Huang's vision was to unify these disparate fortifications into a single, cohesive structure that would symbolize the unity and strength of his rule. Qin Shi Huang envisioned something far grander, a unified barrier stretching across the northern frontier. This grand vision required the mobilization of vast resources and manpower. Thousands of laborers, including soldiers, peasants, and prisoners, were conscripted to work on the wall. The construction process was grueling and often perilous, reflecting the emperor's relentless pursuit of his goals. This colossal project would not only protect his empire, but also serve as a powerful symbol of his authority and the newly forged unity of China. The Great Wall, as it came to be known, stood as a testament to the emperor's ambition and the collective effort of his people. It was a monumental achievement that showcased the ingenuity and determination of ancient Chinese civilization, leaving a legacy that endures to this day. Constructing the Great Wall was a monumental feat of engineering, relying on the materials available and the ingenuity of its builders. Stone, readily available in the mountainous regions, formed the foundation and core of the wall in many sections. Huge blocks were quarried, shaped, and hauled into place, testament to the back-breaking labor involved. Where stone was scarce, other materials were utilized. Bricks fired in kilns provided a sturdy alternative, their uniform shape allowing for a more standardized construction. Earth, too, played a crucial role, compacted between layers of stone and brick to bind the wall together. The construction of the Great Wall exacted a heavy toll on the people of China. Hundreds of thousands of laborers were conscripted into service, forced to leave their homes and families to toil on this immense project. Farmers, peasants, convicts, even soldiers, all were pressed into service. Life for these workers was brutal. Under the watchful eyes of guards, they labored tirelessly, hauling stone, mixing mortar and erecting scaffolding. The work was dangerous, accidents were common, and many perished from exhaustion, disease, or injury. Section 5. A symphony of logistics supplying the wall's construction. Building a structure as vast as the Great Wall required a logistical operation of unprecedented scale. Food, tools, and materials had to be transported over vast distances, often through treacherous terrain. Ox carts lumbered along rough roads, their wooden wheels creaking under the weight of supplies. Along the wall's route, workshops sprang up, their forges blazing as blacksmiths hammered out tools and weapons. Storehouses bulged with grain and salted meat, providing sustenance for the workforce. The coordination and management of this vast supply chain was a feat in itself. Section 6. Through mountains and deserts. The wall's varied terrain. The Great Wall snakes its way across some of China's most challenging terrain. It is not just a wall, but a journey through the diverse and often harsh landscapes of China. The wall's path is a testament to the determination and ingenuity of those who built it. From the rugged mountains of the west to the rolling hills, the wall climbs and descends, following the natural contours of the land. Each stone and brick laid with precision to ensure its stability and strength. And arid deserts of the east, where the scorching sun and shifting sands present their own unique challenges. Yet, the wall stands firm, a silent guardian of the past. The wall adapts to the landscape, seamlessly blending into its surroundings. It is a marvel of ancient engineering, designed to withstand the test of time and nature, a testament to the skill and adaptability of its builders. These ancient craftsmen used local materials and innovative techniques to construct a barrier that would protect their civilization for centuries. In mountainous regions, the wall clings to steep slopes, defying gravity and the elements. Its towers perched precariously on rocky outcrops, offering strategic vantage points for watchful sentinels. These watchtowers were crucial for communication and defense, allowing for early warnings of any approaching threats. Across plains, it stretches out in a seemingly endless line, a ribbon of stone that cuts across the landscape. This section of the wall was designed to be a formidable barrier against invasions, a barrier against the horizon. The sight of the wall fading into the distance is a powerful reminder of the lengths to which ancient China went to protect its people and culture. Through deserts, it stands defiant against the elements, enduring the harsh conditions of the arid landscape. The wall's presence in these inhospitable areas is a testament to human resilience and determination. A symbol of human endurance, the Great Wall of China is not just a physical structure, but a symbol of the enduring spirit of the people who built it and the civilization it protected. Section 7. Standing against the tides, the wall's defensive role. The Great Wall was more than just a physical barrier. It was a key element in a complex defense strategy. Its height and imposing presence served as a deterrent, while watchtowers provided early warning of approaching enemies. Signal fires, lit to relay messages, could be seen for miles. Garrisons stationed along the wall stood ready to repel attacks, using the wall's elevated walkways and strategic positions to their advantage. The wall, however, was not impenetrable, and its effectiveness relied on a combination of fortifications, manpower, and strategic deployment. Section 8. A timeless legacy, the wall in Chinese consciousness. Over the centuries, the Great Wall has become deeply ingrained in the Chinese psyche. It's a source of national pride, a symbol of China's strength and resilience. Its image adorns everything from banknotes to postage stamps, a constant reminder of its enduring legacy. The Great Wall has inspired countless poems, paintings, and legends. It features prominently in Chinese literature and folklore, often portrayed as a dragon protecting the land. It's a place of pilgrimage where visitors come to connect with their heritage and marvel at the achievements of their ancestors. Section 9. The Great Wall today, a monument for the ages. Today, the Great Wall stands as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a testament to human history and ingenuity. Millions of visitors from around the globe flock to its crumbling ramparts each year, drawn by its grandeur and the stories it holds. While sections of the wall lie in ruin, victims of time and neglect, restoration efforts are underway to preserve this iconic landmark for future generations. The Great Wall, once a symbol of division, now stands as a powerful reminder of our shared human heritage. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating historical journeys.